In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Magic Eraser in Canva. This is a simple but powerful tool that lets you quickly remove unwanted parts of an image, like background objects, logos, or anything that's distracting from your main subject. First, open your design in Canva like you normally would. This could be a social media post, a presentation slide, a thumbnail, or any other project you're working on. Once your design is open, click on the image you want to edit so that it's selected. You should see an options bar appear either above the canvas or at the top of your screen. Now, look for the option that says Edit Image or Edit. Go ahead and click on that. This will open Canva's image editing panel, where you'll find different effects and tools you can apply to your picture. Give it a moment to load if it doesn't appear instantly. Within this panel, scroll until you see the Magic Eraser tool. Depending on your version of Canva, it may appear under a section related to AI tools or photo editing. Once you find Magic Eraser, click on it to activate the feature. Your cursor will change, usually into a brush, indicating that the tool is ready to use. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts Canva provides. Typically, you'll be asked to adjust your brush size. A smaller brush is great for precise areas, like removing a small logo or a thin object, while a larger brush works well for bigger sections, such as backgrounds or large items. Take your time choosing the brush size that feels right for the area you're targeting. Next, click and drag over the part of the image you want to remove. As you paint over that area, Canva will analyze what you've selected and automatically erase it, filling in the space with a background that blends in with the rest of the image. If the first result isn't perfect, you can undo the change and try again, maybe with a slightly different brush size or by covering a bit more or a bit less of the area. When you're happy with the result, simply close the editing panel or click Done if you see that option. Your edited image is now part of your design, ready to resize, reposition, or combine with text and other elements. And that's all it takes to clean up your images using Magic Eraser in Canva.